across the Delmarva, and this weekend we will be into quite the heat wave for this time of year, as well as humid conditions with high heat indexes. Taking a look at our conditions from yesterday, it was a little bit cooler than usual for this time of year across the region, especially here at Wallops, where our high is normally in the upper 80s this time of year, but yesterday we only reached a high of 82. Many other locations across the region saw temperatures in the mid-80s, with a couple spots at Richmond and around the nation's capital seeing 90 degrees. We did see some mild lows this morning, with many locations reporting the low to mid-70s. We did see Dover reach down to 69 degrees. And we did see a couple drops of rain yesterday to the north, as we did see some showers and thunderstorms in the area, only picking up a trace to a couple hundreds of inches of rain at the Taft sites up to our north and around the nation's capital. Taking a look at our conditions as of 9 a.m., we are seeing temperatures hovering around 80 degrees already this morning under mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. Taking a look at our sounding from 12Z this morning, we are seeing winds very light and variable all the way from the surface all the way up to 12,000 feet, and then above 12,000 feet winds are turning southwesterly, still pretty light at only 10 to 15 knots up to 20,000 feet, and then peaking out at 31 knots from the southwest at the 25,000 foot level, with the freezing level this morning just above 14,000 feet. Taking a look at our surface analysis, we did see that stationary boundary to the south yesterday, which kept those that good amounts of rain in the area well to the south of Wallops. That has since dissipated. We are still seeing a couple areas of rain well to the south, and we do anticipate that rain to remain well south of the Delmarva throughout today, as we have high pressure building across the southeast, and we have that weak upper level low that's lingering across the area, still a bit west of the Delmarva, so not really given a whole lot to trigger any showers or thunderstorms. But we could be seeing a very slight chance, only around 10% of a pop-up shower this afternoon, but for the most part we're just going to be seeing partly cloudy skies today. Taking a look at our satellite and radar across the area, we can see abundant upper level cloudiness streaming in from the south, and that is going to be the case for the rest of the day today and into tonight, as we still have that area of disturbed weather well to our south. Winds are going to be fairly light today from the south, only running around 7 to 12 knots at the most, and then we will be seeing those winds become calm as we go into the overnight hours tonight. So taking a look at our forecast planner for today, you can see that rain is going to remain shunted well south of the Delmarva as high pressure builds across the southeast. As we go into tonight, don't expect that forecast to change at all, as we will continue to see that rain well to the south. High pressure will continue to dominate the southeastern states, and we will see that high pressure strengthen as we go into tomorrow morning, and that's when we will also see our temperatures increase as we see winds turn more west-southwesterly, ushering in a much warmer air mass, as well as a continued increase in moisture. On Wednesday afternoon, we will have that upper level low axis move closer to the Delmarva, and that could be enough to trigger some isolated showers and thunderstorms across the region, only looking about a 20% chance of that at this time for Wednesday afternoon, as high pressure will continue to build closer into the area. As we move into Thursday, we will get some weak upper level ridging as high pressure continues to dominate, and that is going to skyrocket our temperatures up into the 90s from Thursday onwards through the weekend. Not looking at any chances of rain, as there will be some subsidence across the area for Thursday and into Friday, but we will be seeing rain chances return as we get into the weekend and into early next week. Taking a look at our hazards for today, we were seeing some low ceilings below 500 feet this morning. Those have scoured out a bit and raised to around 1,000 feet as of the 10 a.m. hour, and we will continue to see those lower level clouds scour out throughout the day, only seeing some pop-up cumulus clouds around the 2,500 foot level this afternoon, as well as that very slight chance of a stray shower, only looking at about a 10% chance of that happening. Our high today is expected to be 85 degrees, and as we go into tonight, we will be seeing just partly cloudy skies, and then we will see an increase in mid-level cloudiness around 18,000 feet overnight, and That will give us mostly cloudy skies with possibly some lower level clouds filtering back into the area as we go into this tomorrow morning, very similar to what we saw this morning, and we can expect a low of 73 degrees for tomorrow. For the next couple days, we are going to be seeing quite a warm up across the area, as I mentioned. We can expect mostly cloudy skies tomorrow morning, becoming partly cloudy, and we are going to be seeing that high approach 90 degrees here at Wallops. And that is going to bring us also a chance of a very slight chance of a shower and a slight chance of a thunderstorm. Shower chances look around 20%. Thunderstorm chances right now look to be around 10% or lower for tomorrow. By Wednesday night, we're going to see partly cloudy skies with a mild low of 74, and that warm-up will continue on Thursday with a high of 91 expected under partly cloudy skies. We will be seeing humid conditions with the heat index exceeding 100 degrees here at Wallops. Taking a look at our 7-day planner, you can see we are going to be seeing quite a warm-up as we go into the end of this week. Today is going to be the coolest day in the 7-day extended period as we get into the upper 80s tomorrow. And then on Thursday and Friday, we're going to have some weak upper-level ridging, and that's going to suppress any shower or thunderstorm chances, but it's also going to cause quite the warm-up here with temperatures in the low to mid-90s for Thursday and through Saturday. We could even possibly be seeing the triple digits up in the Salisbury area to our north from Friday through Sunday at times. And then as we go into Saturday, we are going to be seeing as we are going to be having a pretty humid air mass across the region with those very warm temperatures. There is going to be a weak shortwave passing across the area this weekend, and that is going to give us a chance of some afternoon showers and thunderstorms for Saturday and through Monday, as does look like we are going to have a stationary boundary set up just north of the Wallops area. So Wallops will remain under that warm sector of that stationary system, which is going to continue temperatures in the low to mid-90s as we go into early next week, as well as daily chances for some diurnal showers and thunderstorms. And we will also be having those low temperatures pretty warm too, only dropping down into the upper 70s. That'll do it for today's weather briefing. We will be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. for your operations briefing and 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing. Have a great day.